Welcome to On Tilt Trading. I'm currently both long and short on Bitcoin. I made a bit of a mess here this morning and this afternoon. We'll get into that very quickly. First, let's give a top down on Bitcoin from the daily. We'll get into my long trade and then my short trades and maybe even another upcoming long trade. First here on the daily chart, right up here, I've got Bitcoin delivering price to the sell side here. These blue lines that you see here, these are the swing high levels and the swing low levels right here. But you can see Bitcoin consolidating within this price range currently. With that in mind, with the overall sell side delivery, now there's been some buy side delivery. Price put in this fair value gap here, and then basically consolidation here with this one wick up, but the wick has not traded, or is traded just below the fair value gap here. And then if we come down here on the 60-minute, so yesterday I took a long position, actually took two long positions, one here on the 60-minute, and then this position is here, and I'll back this up. So I'm targeting the range here. So my stop loss is at the swing low of the range. I took this entry. This entry is in relation to this fair value gap here. There's a rectangle right here. This is a fair value gap. Actually, let's remove this Fibonacci retracement for now. So this is a fair value gap right here. So this is what I based my entry off of. Stop just below this level here. And then for target, my target is the rebalance of this very large fair value gap right here. Targeting a rebalance right here. And that price is 112,610.7 is my target price here. And while that's happening, and while that was happening yesterday, I was also able to here take a long position with my stop. I believe was below this candle here, and then I was able to take profits this morning. So my target for that trade was these relatively equal highs here. There's buy side liquidity resting up here. So I went for a sweep of that liquidity here. Then this morning, I was short bias this morning. Let's bring these down a notch. So I was short bias this morning. So I was looking for a short trade. And then I took a short. This was the long trade that was lower that I was able to take profit in this morning. This area here, this is a trade and a stop out right here. This was based off of a fair value gap that was here and this high, but that was traded through here in this candle where I get stopped out. Then I re-enter here, and then with this displacement and fair value gap here, I took two more positions on pullback here, and then price pulled back here and stopped out these add positions here, these four positions. But my original position, or at least the second position with the that was taken right here. This one held. And if we come over to the 60-minute, back up here. So my stop on that trade, 57. I placed my stop based on the spread, based off of the high of this range. So when price traded up based on this fair value gap, but this level held here. So that stop held, and then when price pulled back and stopped me out of those other trades here, stopped me out of these other trades here, this level held up here. So when that happened, I re-entered here with these two positions here. And now I am currently holding these positions for potential liquidity sweep here. And this is targeting sell side liquidity that's resting just below these near equal lows here. Pull up these orders. They're all set the same. So you can see here targeting this sell side liquidity here. And as you can see here on the 60-minute, my stop for all of these is just above here. And then I'm set up potentially for another long trade here. So if I remove this Fibonacci retracement tool, you'll see that Bitcoin put in a fair value gap right here. So I'm targeting this fair value gap for potential entry and a trade long to sweep liquidity out here on the 60-minute. And actually my target will be the sell side liquidity resting just above here. So where my current stop loss is, if I'm able to take profit and cover my short, then I'll trade long and try to sweep out the liquidity. Have fireworks here. I'll trade long and try to sweep out the liquidity that's resting above that area where my current stop is. So people that fail to stop out, their their buy orders will still be up there, and I want to target that buy side liquidity. So my stop loss for this trade is this swing low down here. Actually, it's this swing low here, but there's a $70 spread, so that that bid comes down to there. And then for take profit, as I mentioned, what is this? This is the limit order. Take profit, as I mentioned, is here to target this buy side liquidity here where my current stop loss is. So trading short to cover, and then to take a long, and this long would also be in conjunction with the long that I'm currently in here, with the previous long that I'm in as well. So far so good after this re-entry here, or after adding to the position after getting stopped out of these other positions. And then let's come up here and take a look at the damage today. So this was a trade from yesterday that took profit. This was the first trade that got stopped out, and these were the positions. Maybe there were 5 positions. I thought there were 4. But my platform has been resetting and removing my information from my charts. But this here were these stop outs. that I showed you in the cluster here, but there was just one more than I thought here. But if all continues to go well here, starting to collect some BTC here to make up the difference. Still keeping size small as I'm adjusting to these ICT concepts, but I'm starting to get a better handle on things, and we'll see how my progression goes here. But today was the first day that I've approached the market with a bias and with an idea of what I thought was more probable than not for the day, and that has been transpiring, even though I made a mess up in this area. It's still working out, and I'm still set up potentially to be profitable today if I'm able to take profits, and I'm already still sitting in another trade and potentially may trade into a trade here. So pretty active here on Bitcoin. If you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com.